Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So today I'll be talking about Nifty. We did our last analysis on the 14th of November and today's date is 16th of November. And basically I'm doing this Nifty outlook for tomorrow and just a quick recap of the overall summary of what happened in last 2 days in our trades. So on 14th of November, we've been talking about Nifty trading somewhere here, and we've been waiting for the index to come down to the key level of support zone here, which is this zone here. So we got 1 point, 2 point, and here you have the third point, and this is the level where we have been tracking Nifty to have a buy entry signal here. And finally we were able to make it. We were able to find a buy signal within the support zone here today itself, and finally we are in this trade. And also I've been tracking that since this is a key level of support zone we have, in case we see the price coming down or falling down below this level of support zone, then we've been expecting that this previous range will come into the picture, which is this one. And once we see price falling below this support zone, then we'll be playing this market towards downside with this sideways channel momentum here. And we've been tracking this support line as a very much important key support line, since even if you see the weekly time frame, we are on a pretty good upward momentum, having higher high and higher lows, and this is not really much volatile enough, and it's a non-volatile, and it is mostly non-volatile uptrend moving on. And we are right now on this key level of support here. So this is a weekly key level of support we have over here. So in case we break it down towards downside, the next support you can clearly see comes around here. Even though in between these two supports we have one more support line which needs to be considered, since multiple order flows are seen over there, which is around this level, even though I'm not marking it exactly for now, because for now we don't need that, but this comes around here with these points here, the bounce from here, then the bounce from here, then this bounce from here, and then again price having a breakout and a pullback over the same place here, and then pushing up. All right, so we have a overall channel over here, and inside the channel we have one more support line over here. So in case price falls below this support zone, this key weekly support zone, we will be looking for short signals till the time price reaches to this level. And again, if this level is broken, we are going for this level over here. So that was the overall view, but for now we got a buy signal on this key level of support zone using 5-minute time frames really. So the real time frames we have been tracking the daily and the weekly time frames, but for the entry purpose we used a 5-minute time frame intraday chart. And in the 5-minute time frames, the red box you see is coming from the daily time frame chart. What do you see in here? This daily time frame support zone is the same as the 5-minute daily time frame support zone. So inside this support zone you can see we have a breakout structure. This is one of the structure we follow in Financial Hub India advanced course. So that's what we traded today. We were able to trade this breakout above this resistance zone over here, and right now we are into this trade, and also our stop loss is trailed to the break-even point right now, and we are targeting at least this much as a first target and this one as a second target. So why this is a first target? Since we have one more resistance over here which really reacted over here. I think this will be more clearly seen in a 60-minute time frames. So let's go to 60-minute time frame just to see it. Look at this. When the price was really falling in the corrective swing, where the price really stood, it stood up where the price really took the pause in the momentum. Look at the area, look at the price, how it reacted on this support area over here. If you see this buying push, this buying pressure here, this is the only powerful buying candle or the buying strength you can see in this overall sell-off pressure, isn't it? And also you can see the price came back down here, and really we created a sideways flat market zone over here around the support level, which shows that the buyers and sellers had really a tough fight around this support level. All right, and finally, it didn't work out and we went down over here. So I'm not gonna ignore that level of resistance over here. So what I'll do is that taking an entry in 5-minute time frames as well as trailing my stop loss using the 5-minute time frames, I'll be targeting the daily time frame levels, key levels, which is this one for me as a first target, and then this one for me as a target. And in the meantime, whenever I get an opportunity using my key levels, which are marked in the hourly time frames, you can see here, I'll be using this key level as well as I'll be using this key level area here to enter new positions inside the momentum towards upside till the time the price doesn't really reach my ultimate target level, which is this one. Even if the price reaches to this level, still I'm not going to exit the market till the time I see the price action is really going upward and it is smooth enough and not really giving me a price action sell signal. So why not let me try to ride the trend till the time it exists, isn't it? And at the same time, the strength, the confidence should comes in from the weekly time frame chart really, because the weekly time frame chart, as you can see, this has really no weakness at all. Finally, to summarize this, I would say my focus is on this key level now, and then let me see how the price reacts over this key level of resistance, and the price action happening here will help me to trail my existing trades stop loss as well as taking some new more positions. Once I see some more breakout patterns happening around this level, or maybe after a breakout on a pullback, I will be going into this trade again over here. Let me show you my private Telegram channels update to you, which is this one. So this was the update before the breakout really happened today. So this is a 5-minute time frame chart, and this is a daily time frame chart, and it shows here is the mark of the triangle pattern we've been tracking before it broke out today. And finally, we were able to trade this resistance breakout with our breakout trading strategy used in the advanced course with all our members. So for now, our trade is in no profit no loss situations, and we are already making 3 times of our risk in this trade. And hopefully, if the ultimate target reaches over here, this target level, it will be a trade of around 8-hour or 9-hour profit. So let's see how it goes tomorrow and the next week. I'll see you guys on the next week Nifty outlook here.